what do I have? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh! Ooh, girl, you need to touch up. Them roots be hella long though. What? Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. Today, I'm talking about all the sale goodies at Walgreens or your drugstore. Yes, you guys know I'm a drugstore girl, and I also collect makeup when it goes on sale. Not to hoard, but just the stuff that I love that I know is a really good deal, or even to give away as Christmas presents or birthday presents. Because, you know, someone's always got a birthday every month, right? There's somebody, or maybe two. So these are specifically Walgreens, but you know I don't really go to CVS that much, and I don't have a Walmart in San Francisco. We don't have one, but I know you guys can find the goods. And so what I'm going to be telling you is just to kind of change your mentality when you go into the drugstore. Now, I'm going to stop you here and say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, click below, subscribe, and hit that bell button and get notifications when my new video is coming out. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, Christmas sales. We all know that there are a ton of makeup kits in Walgreens on sale after Christmas. First they were 20% off, then they were 50% off, and then, oh, 70% off. I mean, right now they're probably 80% off. I mean, I can't even, like last year I did a whole video on this because I was so excited. I actually hoarded so much makeup last year. But this year I was a little bit more, you know, I kept it together. I was very thoughtful when I looked at the sale aisle. So some of the things that I just bought straight off the bat are these LA Colors matte liquid lipsticks. And I think they're originally $5, but they are 70% off. And the thing that's really cool about them is that they come with their own little liner. I wish I saved the box so I could show you guys the box, but I didn't. Yeah, so sorry about that. These are a little bit of a less expensive liner. The lipstick formula is not the greatest bit, but because this peach color I love so much, and I'm a nude freak, I love all nudes and neutrals, I just picked it up anyway, and I'm actually wearing the peach color today. I am obsessed with it, and I know the formula is not the best, but just, it's called Cuddles, the color is Cuddles, but it's my favorite. I wear it every day. It gets a little dry in the middle, so I'll put a little gloss over it. And then the liner, the LA Colors, it comes with a liner. So I don't know what happened to this liner for this color. But anyway, these were like $1.25, 75% off. Ah! I mean, so yeah, whatevs. I had to go pick them up because that's just crazy. Another one of the sale items at Walgreens is they had a whole selection of LA Colors, you guys. If you don't know LA Colors is an inexpensive makeup brand, but their concealers are like the best. They have like yellow concealers. They have an amazing concealer range, and a lot of YouTubers, Instagrammers really love them because they're very, very inexpensive, but they have like great coverage. So I found the LA Colors FYX Color Correctors box. Yes. And if you take a look, you get 5 different colors. You get an orange or a peach, yellow, lilac, white, and green. I was super excited about having white, and you guys are like, why do I need white? Well, white I use as a highlight for the inner corner of my eyes, or, you know, white is just a really good color to have when you're starting, well, not when you're starting to do makeup, when you learn a little bit more about makeup. I just love it for a highlight. So basically the peach color is for discolorizations under your eyes. So I'm olive skin, so peach I put it underneath, and then I put my concealer on top. Lilac neutralizes yellow tones. The yellow neutralizes purple tones. The green, red, gets rid of redness if you have acne or a red mark. And the white highlights and accentuates facial features, as I said. This was 70% off, so this is like $1.50. Sorry, LA Colors, but you guys, I should have bought more. So it comes for $1.50, and you get all these. So these are the ones I'm super excited about because I love their concealers, and I have a bunch of them anyway. I usually buy them for $5 each, so I just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for $1.80. Applause, applause. Yes. Okay, another thing that I picked up, which I'm super excited about, is, and I've never heard of this, it's the Gold Digger Metallic Lip Paint. The reason that I purchased this is because I know this metallic lip color is totally on trend, and I figured I would just pick it up for an Instagram photo because this kind of gold metallic lip, let me show you it close up. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if that's totally my jam, but it is kind of cool. So it comes with a pot of like extra glittery gold here and then a liquid liner. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. And again, this was like 70% off, so it's like $1 and change. Yes, that's my QVC moment. I've always wanted to be a QVC girl. Oh my God, you know, Lisa Robertson, if you ever want to like get together and join me in a video, I know you retired from QVC, but girl, this I freaking die and I love. So I will, when I put this color on, I will post Instagram. And you guys, if you don't, you would never see the photo if you don't follow me on Instagram. So please go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Sung by Samantha, because I do a whole bunch of other stuff there. Okay. Another thing that I want you guys to do is while you're in the drugstore, go to the makeup aisle and just look for the things that are on sale. So occasionally Milani. Now Milani is my all-time favorite drugstore. It even surpasses Wet n Wild. I mean, Wet n Wild's my jam, but Milani has some really, really great quality products that many, many Instagrammers, beauty, makeup artists love for a really high-end like product at a low, low-end price. These lip liners are usually $8 each. They were on sale sometimes every like 6 months, like everything. Every category of makeup usually goes on major sale. So stock up. Like I told you, I love nudes. These were $2.39 each. I even got some for my mom. They had reds. I'm a nude girl, so I just picked up a crap load of reds. They are like buttery smooth when they go on. They're not too waxy. You know, and now I'm addicted. I'm going to have to pay them for $8, but I picked them up when they were $2, and I'll go from one Walgreens. If I see something and I've run out, I'll go to the next, I'll go to like 5 different Walgreens. Yes, I will. Yeah, I said it. I go to 5 different Walgreens if I have to, because this is, in the long run, you're saving money. Okay, so because I love Milani. So these are the Milani Girlfriend. You ain't got your readers. Color Statement lip liners. Long wearing Easy Glide. Yes, they are Easy Glide formula. And this is in Spice, which I'm wearing right now. And then Nude. So I really like the Spice, and I'm wearing it with that LA Colors Cuddles that I love. So that's the look that I have on my lips right now. Okay, this is, I can't even believe that I got this. I was like, I was like looking around, like I know like all the beauty girls who work at Walgreens, they're all like, hey, you're in here every day. I'm like, oh yeah, here I am again. But okay, I don't know if you guys know these people, Real Techniques. They are Pixie Woo, Sam and Nicole Chapman from UK. They have their own line of makeup brushes. I've followed them on YouTube for like 9 years. I totally love them. They're like one of the first makeup YouTubers ever. And they're just the jam, the bomb, whatever you want to call them. And they started their own makeup brush line, and they started the Real Techniques brushes. This is them if you just want to know. I'll put a link to them because they're just so amazing. So what they've done is they're makeup artists in the United Kingdom, and celebrity makeup artists worked on everybody. They've created this like really amazing range of brushes that are almost in comparison to high-end brushes, but at a drugstore price, maybe a little bit higher than a drugstore. So these 3 brushes are actually $17, which is, you know, not bad, because if you were going to go get high-end brushes, you could pay a lot more, but the quality of these are so amazing. So they're $17, and I totally have purchased the whole line of the Real Techniques and Pixie Woo Girls brushes, because if you're going to start doing your makeup, you don't have to use cheap brushes. You can just go a step up and get these. I really, really recommend them. Real Techniques, I cannot recommend them enough. This little travel kit with a powder brush, a foundation brush, and a shadow brush. I'll probably use it as a blender on my shadow. Guess how much this was? Guess again! Okay, so for some reason they were clearing this out, and you'll see that a lot in Walgreens because maybe they'll be repackaging, and it looks like the Real Techniques are repackaging their new products. They have new products coming out because I follow them on Instagram and on YouTube, and I read that, yeah, they were coming out with some new brushes. So these were $4.75. This is usually $17. I was like, oh. Okay, these are really, really high-end, good quality brushes. So yeah, you guys, I just picked them up. I don't need them right now. I have all my brushes. I've washed all my brushes. I have all my Real Techniques brushes, but I do, like, sometimes I wreck a brush. Like, after 6 months, my brush is wrecked. I got to get a new one. So these will be waiting for me when I need them. And then, of course, you know, I did a review on these Wet n Wild brushes. These were $30, but I got them for half off because that's what Walgreens does. So just never know what's going to happen. So I got all these amazing brushes for $15, which is totally ridiculous. And the next day they went right back up to 30. So you just never know. So what I'm saying is keep an open mind and buy things that you don't necessarily need at that moment, but you know you're going to need them later. It's like staples in like your clothing. You're always going to need underwear. I never have enough. I'm like, what? I just bought 5 pair of underwear. I got none. You're always going to need underwear, going to hair ties, right? You're going to need like bras, sports bras, workout wear, pajamas, socks, the stuff that you know you're going to need. So I wear lip liner every single day. I wear lipstick every single day. I wear concealer every single day. These are my loves. And I use my makeup every day. So when I see something go on a major discount, even though I don't need it that very moment, I'm going to purchase it. You guys do not have to spend a lot of money. I would have easily bought this for $17 because I love these ladies. A little pricey, but it's just worth it. But for $4.70, there's only one left. And I was like to the lady, I'm all, oh my God. She's like, I know, I just put it out. I go, do you have any more? She's like, no. But you know what? When I go and pick up my daughter for school today, I'm going to go to their Walgreens over there because it might be 80% off. You guys, maybe check on Walgreens.com. Now, again, this can go across the board to CVS, Walmart. You know Target's having these sales. I hear about them. Well, maybe not Target. They never have a sale. But these sales are happening. And I don't use coupons because I like to actually, like through online, because I like to actually go in the store and touch. That's my jam. Like I like to touch. That's why I don't online shop for clothes. I just like to touch and put everything on. By the way, how cute is this sweater from H&M? Is this from H&M? Oh my God, no, sorry. This is from Forever 21. I bought another one like this from H&M that I wore on New Year's Eve. All right, you guys, that is it for me. And just because I'm buying inexpensive makeup does not mean that I don't fork out for the good stuff sometimes. And mostly I get gifted things all the time. I got this Bare Essentials palette. Oh, goddamn. Can't wait to try that bad boy if you guys want to see. And this Bare Essentials Lash Domination. So yeah, you know, you don't always have to go on the cheap, but if you know good stuff or you find a color that's just amazing and it's on sale, pick it up. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys are watching my videos. My workout video with Lucy Wyndham Reed came out. I'm so excited. She's a British YouTuber, fitness expert and author, and she did a collaboration with me, my first real collab. So I can't wait to have more, you guys. I cannot wait to have more. If you guys want to collab with me and you have a channel that's similar or you think we can vibe, let me know. Like, contact a girl. That's what I said to Lucy, and she contacted me. She's got 250,000 followers on YouTube, and she's the best. Lucy, if you have people, you're such a good woman. You know, women supporting women, and you, girl, you're gonna get some good karma because you don't have to help people. No one has to go out of their way to help somebody else, but you know, Lucy did. And you guys, if you can do that for somebody, do it, because that's what life is about. It's all about feeling good and like helping people, because why else are we here, right? All right, you guys, work out with me, do my fashion haul. Oh, I got a fashion haul coming out, more makeup videos, and of course, my workouts are with you every week just to keep your body in check, over 40, over 50, whatever your age, and I will see you guys later.